Let's get real. If a client reads your application, squints their eyes, tilts their head, and says, wait, what do they actually do? That's a red flag for them and a missed opportunity for you. Here's the harsh truth. If you're not clear about who you are as a freelancer, clients won't be either. And when they're confused, they won't ask questions. They run away. Yup, left unread, deleted without any reply, application ghosted. And it's not because you're not talented, because your identity wasn't clear. The problem is too many freelancers are trying to be flexible or multi-skilled, thinking that saying yes to everything makes them more hireable. But in reality, it makes your message messy. And clients don't hire messy. They hire clear, confident, and obviously the right fit. Ask yourself now, can you guys answer these three questions clearly and with all confidence? Who are you? Who do you cater to? And what problems do you solve? If you hesitated even a little bit, don't you worry, we're gonna fix that today. Hey, it's Sean, the founder of Barangay VA, and welcome to our new series called No Experience to Freelancing Bundle Spoon Feed Edition. Make sure you download our Notion board linked in the description box for you to be able to access all the schedule of the modules, all the materials, all the worksheets, everything you need to start as a freelancer. They're all there. As I mentioned, as I promised, this series is all about spoon feeding you. So I suggest you maximize that. So download that now and print that worksheet first before you move through or you go through the module for today. Going back, I'm about to solve or give that solution to your problem. So you better hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell because what I'm about to bring to the table is a value bomb. The key to standing out, getting booked, and taken seriously is this. Build a strong business identity. Even if you're a solo freelancer like you are your own brand, okay? And here's how to start. Number one, answer this question. Who are you? This means who are you as a business, okay? You have to be specific. I don't want to hear I do admin stuff. You could say I'm an executive assistant for startup founders and coaches. Boom, that's a lot better. Or just like me, I'm a VA sourcer for staffing agencies. That simple, that precise, that specific. Second answer you need to be able to question is who do you cater to? Who is your target market? Pick your people. Don't say anyone. Say online coaches, say real estate agent, or e-commerce beauty brands. Clients want to know or needs to know that you know their world very, very well. Like me, staffing agencies. And lastly, number three, what problems can you solve? Not tasks, problems. We are here as a business because we are problem solvers. You don't just write emails. You don't just do like calendar invites. Those are tasks. You can say you help brands increase their sales through email campaigns. Now that's a solution to a problem. That's what you say. Just like me, I help staffing agencies match qualified Filipino talents to their clients. So that is a very specific solution to their problem. So you have to be clear with that. Once again, who are you? Okay, who do you cater to? And what problems do you solve? The more clearly you can answer these questions, the more confident your future clients or your dream clients will say, yes, this is the freelancer I need. No more confusions, no more ghosted messages, just confidence and clarity. So let's talk it in. I want you to go to the Notion board. If you haven't went there yet, haven't been there yet, click the link in the description box. Get or print that worksheet, accomplish everything in the worksheet. Okay, answer those three questions. Say it loud, practice introducing yourself like a boss with all confidence and conviction. Then come back and drop a comment that says, my business identity is blank. And hey, if this hits you in the gut a little bit in a good way, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that subscribe button and notification bell. And share this to another freelancer that you know needs clarity in life. And remember, clarity gets clients and confusion gets you ignored. You choose.